Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you the secret that dentists don't want you to know in removing teeth tartar and whiten teeth in just 2 minutes. The first ingredient we will need to prepare this recipe is green tea, and take 1 sachet of green tea and place it into a clean mixing bowl. Then we need a pinch of turmeric powder, then we need half teaspoon of salt, just regular table salt, and mix the dry ingredients together like so. Then we will need toothpaste, then we need 2 teaspoons of natural honey, Now mix the ingredients very well together. You can store this for up to 1 week, it's not gonna go bad or anything. Now with your toothbrush, dip in your toothbrush into the recipe like so and brush your teeth with that. Will remove the teeth tartar naturally and whiten the teeth in just 2 minutes.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.